Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of Guatape. Our journey starts here, gliding across the serene waters while taking in the beauty all around. The town of Guatape is a feast for the eyes with its vibrant and charming streets. From its picturesque churches to the rolling mountains, Guatape is a gem waiting to be explored. Our adventure begins in Medellin, where we arrange for a private group transport to Guatape. Public transport is also a budget-friendly option, though it can be a bit more time-consuming, especially if you're on a tight schedule. On our way, we enjoy the scenic views of Colombia's urban and countryside landscapes. Making a quick stop to savor some local fruits, a delicious way to break up the drive. And here we are, arriving at the beautiful Tall House Hotel in Guatape. Nestled on the shores of the lake, the hotel offers incredible views and a tranquil atmosphere. Eager to explore, we quickly checked in and admired the serene surroundings.
So we're going to do a boat tour of the lakes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the view.
We arrange a private boat tour through the hotel. Gliding across the calm waters, we marveled at the vibrant houses, lush islands, and the iconic El Penol rock in the distance. We even spotted one of Pablo Escobar's dilapidated haciendas along the way. After the boat tour, we returned to the hotel for a delicious lunch with the stunning lake views, the perfect way to relax and recharge for the afternoon. Now let me show you a quick peek at my room at the tow house. It's beautiful, with a great view from the balcony and even a private jacuzzi. In the evening, we set out to explore the charming town of Guatape. The hotel arranged tuk-tuks for us, a fun and scenic ride into town. Known for its vibrant, colorful houses, Guatape is a feast for the eyes. The streets are adorned with beautiful umbrellas and colorful lights, making the town even more enchanting at night. After exploring, we headed back to the hotel to relax in the jacuzzi and get ready for a very hectic day ahead. The next day, we rose early to conquer the famous El Penol rock. To conserve energy, we ordered tuk-tuk for the short ride.
Heading out to the rock. Tuk-tuk style.
The tuk-tuk ride, though short, was lots of fun. At the base, we were in awe of the majestic rock formation.
Adios! Hasta la vista! Definitely trying to get a tuk-tuk coming up this hill. Because it's so affordable. Challenge begins. Let's begin. $500. Almost.
You know, nakaged.
Get fit before you start this.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Climbing the 740 steps to the top was a challenge, but the panoramic views were absolutely worth it. Pro tip: arrive early at around 8 a.m. to beat the crowds and enjoy a peaceful ascent. Energized after our climb, we decided to walk back to the hotel, reflecting on our unforgettable moments and the stunning sights of Guatape.
Alright, so we decided to walk back to the hotel. Save us 20 mil pesos. But we get to enjoy the view. Alright, so apparently you don't have to take that winding road. There's a trail exit. There's a trail exit to go down.
Our trip to Guatape was filled with unforgettable moments, stunning sights, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of Colombia. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Guatape has something special for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you soon.